that was the boring one of what if the denominators are both the same. So now let's look at something which is slightly more exciting. What happens if the denominators are not the same? Well, in a fraction, you have to do cross multiplication, where you take the numerator from the left-hand side, multiply it by the denominator from the right-hand side, and then you take the numerator from the right-hand side, multiply it by the denominator from the left-hand side, and you get two products, and then you just add things together. And once you add things together, that will be the new numerator, and the denominator is just going to be the two denominators multiplied together. So that's how you add two fractions together. So we can go ahead and say, let's go ahead and create two new variables, int product 1, int product 2, and let's say we need a new numerator and a new denominator. So actually I'm going to take this new numerator from here, put it up there, and int new denominator, define that there. All right, so now we didn't change anything here except I moved new numerator out of this if just because, well, I need new numerator outside of there. So this is going to stay the same. But if it is not equal, then we need to go ahead and calculate it. So now we need to do our cross multiplication. Product 1 is equal to left-hand side dot numerator times right-hand side dot denominator. Product 2 is equal to left-hand side dot denominator times right-hand side dot numerator. So this is getting our two products that we have there. So now once we have that, our new numerator is equal to, well, this product plus this product. And our new denominator, denominator, misspelled denominator, did I not? Yes, I did. And so our new denominator is equal to the left-hand side denominator times the right-hand side denominator. So these are the two values that we have which make up the new fraction. And so now we return the fraction new numerator, comma, new denominator. So now we can go ahead and test this. I'm going to go ahead and leave those there, and I'll just create two more fractions. So fraction frac4 is equal to new fraction. And for values for this, I don't know, let's go ahead and do 1, 3. And fraction frac 5 is equal to new fraction. And this I'm going to go ahead and do 4, 9. So we have two fractions with different denominators. And so now let's go ahead and see if we can add these together. Fraction frac 5 is equal to frac, oops, this wouldn't be 5, this would be 6. Frac 4 plus frac 5. And let's just go ahead and print it off. Console.write frac 6. And we'll just do frac 6 dot print. And so we'll just go ahead and print it off. And so now this will do 1/3, 4/9, and so this will be, I should have calculated this before I ran it. I'm actually not looking down where it calculates it. So this will be 9 plus 12, and because I am super, super good at math, that is 21 over 9 times 3, so 18. So close. That's 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. So we have 21 over 27. So This does the cross multiplication, and you can test this with some online web page or a calculator or something like that to get the actual answer that you desire. We can go ahead and test this with some other values. We can go ahead and say what, 1/3 and then 2/6. 2/6. And so this will be 6 plus 6, so 12 over 18. 12/18. So that is a way that you can add two fractions together and get a fraction back as a result that then you can write other methods to do stuff with that.